Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GXXM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance much easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that line right there. Sure, that pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right there at 0034, one of the newest areas of support, the ideal level of support going into next week, meaning for, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 004. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 004, I am not saying that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 004 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing very complicated here other than the fact that the party essentially stopped right up there at 0054 today. So 0054, key battleground going into next week. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what this chart has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, that is the name of the game. So focus on building those higher stair steps and then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.